friends, today we will solve Geeks Bar Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is Toeplitz matrix. So now open this question. So a Toeplitz matrix or diagonal constant matrix is a matrix in which each descending diagonal from left to right is constant, is that all elements in a diagonal are same. So given a matrix A of order n cross m, your task is to complete the function is Toeplitz, which return the true if matrix is Toeplitz, otherwise return false. So now see first example. So the given matrix is Toeplitz, so the output statement is 1 because here all the diagonal elements are same. Now see second example. So here the diagonal elements are not same, so the output statement is 0, which means false. So now we will write the code for this problem. So here we use for loop for traversing on the given string. So we use for loop for int I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. For column int j equals to 1, j less than m, j plus plus. Now we check the condition. If matrix Ij does not equals to matrix I minus 1 and j minus 1, then we will return false, otherwise we will return true. Otherwise we will return true. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.